Hello, magical human. Welcome back and thanks for joining me for another episode. If you're new to MJTV, my name is Monique and I'm a transformation and lifestyle coach. I help women excel in their creative careers or transition from 9 to 5 to business owner. Today, I really want to talk to you about supercharging and aligning your career, because starting or picking up on goals, it's not just for the beginning of the year. We all do this. We all start off super strong in January, but come March, April, May, we just start to lose momentum. But it's never too late to make changes and it's never too late to start. So if you're ready to supercharge your career and align your goals to help you level up, hit the like button below and let's get started. Align your intention with your desired outcome. When you're setting a goal, you're really just setting a desired outcome. So if you're constantly thinking about the finishing line, it starts to make sense that it's going to become more difficult to remain motivated in the present. So the secret to supercharging your goals, and I use this with my clients, is I get them to think, see, feel, and really connect with the intention behind their career goal. So I want you to think, what will you gain from achieving this goal? Who will you become? What will you look like? You see, when you tune into the intention, it's more about the relationship that you have with yourself. It's who you want to be, how you want to be seen, and how you want to show up in the world, regardless if you achieve your goal or not. It activates your internal superpower and connection to what you want to achieve in the future, and inspires a very natural alignment, excitement, and motivation in the present, which guides your day-to-day decisions, priorities, and actions. And it's those actions that take you on a wonderful journey to your desired result. So I want you to stop obsessing about the end goal, because it will only make you feel like you're not moving fast enough, and start focusing on your intention. Which areas do I need to improve? There is so much power in reflection. If you can discover what areas you need to develop, it becomes crystal clear what actions you need to take to improve. So I like to take my clients through a process I call Stop It Out. This increases your success rate because it's a great way to get clear and help you find your strengths, figure out what you need to tweak, where you can uncover new opportunities, and identify and remove what is blocking you from moving forward. If you're ready for the next step and you would like to work with me, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can learn more about how I can help you excel in your career. Pause the video, grab a pen and paper, and take a moment to work through this too. Create habits that align with your desired outcome. So what is a habit? A habit is a specific behavior you carry out on autopilot. It becomes part of us consciously and subconsciously, like the time we wake up and go to bed, or you only work out in the morning or evenings, or you religiously hit snooze in the mornings. Guilty. So here's a habit loop in action. So you're supposed to sit down and update your CV, but the thought of doing it brings a knot to the bottom of your stomach. So your procrastination vixen shows up and you both decide to sit on the sofa and binge watch Netflix. But that leaves you to feeling frustrated and disappointed because you really want to update your CV, because you really want that job promotion. Sound familiar? So if you disrupt autopilot and gain clarity on the behavior that is stopping you from your desired outcome, you then have the power to change bad habits and align your actions with what you want to achieve. Ta-da! Hello, job promotion. So what behaviours have you identified that stop you from achieving what you want in your career? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to learn more about my one-to-one coaching program, the link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. And until next week, I bind you in white light to which no negative energy can enter. Bye-bye for now.